Our core values are foundational to the role model way and the culture that we've built here at RoleModel Software. Each value stands on its own, but is unique in the combination for casting the vision for where we want to go as a flourishing organization that develops leaders, launches careers, and serves with humility so that others would see God glorified in our work.
Core values are a constant reminder of how we should be behaving, how we should be making decisions, and how we should be working with each other.
Our core values are not surface level. They need to be ingrained deeply and put into practice daily. This is a focusing mechanism for the organization and ultimately unifies us to accomplish our long-term goals.
We want to develop a shared by all understanding of RoleModel's core values of character, collaboration, and craftsmanship. Words are powerful, and each of these values is a single word that can have a variety of meanings depending on your background. We want to define what these mean to the role model culture, what they are not, and how you'll see them play out in practice. Character is the first core value that we'll look at. It's the foundation of the rest of our core values and comes first for a reason. It requires a good standard, and while we're not perfect, we seek to emulate the perfect character of Jesus Christ.
Character is the foundation of everything that we do at RoleModel. It affects everything from the customers that we partner with, to the people that we hire, to how we deliver our work.
Character is not just the absence of moral failure. It is built through dependable trust, demonstrated through humble confidence, while embracing servant leadership. A track record of character is built over a lifetime and can be lost in moments. Dependable trust is that track record of knowing that you are a person of your word and someone that people can count on to do something even when no one is watching.
As we're working together, we are in fact collaborating with each other, working together to get things done, but we're doing that in a very high trust environment. So it's based on being able to depend on what we're doing and how we're doing it and who we're doing it with.
Character is not prideful, but does require having pride in your work, an optimistic outlook that is humble confidence.
Humble confidence is having strong opinions but holding them loosely. That lets us be optimistic when we're trying to solve problems because we know we can do it. That's not based on a foundation of perfection. It's based on a foundation of being confident in our ability to deliver value.
At RoleModel, serving drives us. And servant leadership is taking accountability, sharing the credit, and embracing continuous improvement.
Character is depicted in servant leadership. We want strong leaders at RoleModel, but we want leaders focused on service, conscientious of those around us, where we're focused on continual improvement to provide the most value for our partners, but also to grow the people around us.
In practice, character looks like always speaking the truth in love, even when that's a hard conversation to have, because we're focused on investing in others, whether our own team or the partners that we serve. Character starts with you. We'll never achieve perfection, but it's built over time through dependable trust, demonstrated through humble confidence, while embracing servant leadership. Collaboration builds off good character. High-performance teams need a deep trust in each other so they can depend on each team member to deliver their unique skills and abilities to achieve excellent results.
Collaboration is key at RoleModel Software. Whether it's communicating with our partners or our coworkers, everything that we're doing is about collaboration.
Collaboration is equal parts art and science. It's asking great questions to draw out the facts and figures that we need in order to do the work that we're doing, but it's also actively listening to what other people are saying so you can hear what they're not saying.
Collaboration is not just working alongside one another. It is results-oriented, leveraging our collective contribution by everyone leaning in. Collaboration is results-oriented. It requires beginning with the end in mind and having a shared ownership of the outcome. I love the African proverb, if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together.
Being focused on results all the time doesn't mean running over people to get the results. We're trying to create an environment where everybody can grow and learn. So that means being willing to lead, but it also means being willing to follow.
Team members are conscientious to critique the work, but not the person, in order to lift each other up and create valuable results.
Collective contribution requires rich and effective communication. Each party is fully engaged, asking good questions and actively listening. The communication is balanced, not one-sided or passive from any one party.
Collaboration hinges on collective contribution, where each individual is seeking to add their unique skills to the project with clear communication.
We want to hold each other to a higher standard and encourage each other so that we can grow together and ultimately produce more as a group than we could as individuals.
Leaning in is a Buffalo culture concept from our friends at C12. On the prairies of the American West, cattle disperse in the midst of a storm. Conversely, buffalo lean in and charge into the storm together, coming out the other side stronger because of their herd mentality.
Collaboration is an active practice. We want to have our head up and our eyes open to be mindful of circumstances. We want to step up when the opportunity arises and step back when someone else should be there to lead.
Collaboration at RoleModel involves cross-functional teams, where different team members have specialties that they bring to bear for the benefit of the collective team. That means each team member needs to think about how can others easily collaborate with me by being low maintenance. And our collaboration is not just internally focused, but is critical to how we engage with and deliver successful software projects for our partners. Above all, collaboration is results-oriented, leveraging our collective contribution by everyone leaning in.
Craftsmanship isn't synonymous with intricate or complex. Craftsmanship is more than just how we build software and the technical details of it. Craftsmanship is involved with how we run our business, how we collaborate, even in our character.
Craftsmanship at RoleModel is not obsessing over details, but rather focused on sustainable delivery with our service-oriented approach through disciplined professionalism. Sustainable delivery is finding simple solutions to complex problems, recognizing the need for pragmatic and sustainable solutions over the long term.
Sustainable delivery is about delivering value now, for sure, but it's not being satisfied with the value that we produced right now. It's improving that over time.
Delivering value is our focus, and that's why we say craftsmen ship. They ship software in incremental solutions that deliver value over the long term. Craftsmanship is service-oriented. This means working with passion and not on your personal passion. Anticipating challenges and being people-focused.
Being service-oriented is critical with our craftsmanship. And we do this by focusing on individuals. Internally, this is through mentorship, where we come alongside those around us and help each other grow. With our partners, we want to come alongside them and serve them in order to help them accomplish their vision.
As Jocko Willink says, discipline equals freedom. And disciplined professionalism is a mark of craftsmanship. This means being self-disciplined and self-motivated, always learning new things, and consistently giving attention to the right details.
Random acts of excellence is not craftsmanship. Rather, we want disciplined professionalism where we consistently apply the RoleModel way.
Consistency, paired with the willingness to take on new challenges, produces powerful results.
Craftsmanship at RoleModel is exemplified in leading by example. This means consistently producing excellent results through two sets of eyes to ensure we meet our high quality standards, while also taking time to sharpen the saw and continually improve the way that we work. Let's recap. Character is built through dependable trust, demonstrated in humble confidence while embracing servant leadership. Collaboration is results-oriented, leveraging our collective contribution by leaning in. Craftsmanship focuses on sustainable delivery with a service-oriented approach through disciplined professionalism. Taken together, our core values of character, collaboration, and craftsmanship define our culture here at RoleModel.